In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unusual activity detected message on Elevenlabs. If you've encountered this issue, don't worry. I'm here to help you resolve it in just a few simple steps. Firstly, let's start by disabling any VPN you might have running and then try reloading Elevenlabs. VPNs can sometimes interfere with platform connections and contribute to the detection of unusual activities, so turning it off can often resolve this issue swiftly. Next, take a moment to check your network connection. Ensure that your internet is stable and functioning correctly. A weak or unstable network can sometimes be misinterpreted as suspicious activity, leading to the message in question. Once you've addressed your network, open your browser. For many users, browser settings can play a key role in resolving this issue. Look towards the top right corner, where you'll find 3 dots. Simply click on them to access your browser's settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These temporary data files can sometimes cause conflicts with how websites interpret your online activity. Clearing them can often remove the unusual activity flag from being triggered in the first place. If clearing your cache hasn't done the trick, consider using a different network. Sometimes, specific networks, especially public or shared connections, may pose issues. Swapping to another network can sometimes provide a straightforward fix. In cases where these steps haven't worked, upgrading to a paid plan might be necessary. Elevenlabs may have limitations or restrictions on free accounts that could trigger this message. By moving to a paid plan, you may find that these restrictions are lifted, smoothing out your experience. Another critical point to consider is avoiding the creation of multiple free accounts. This practice can often lead to detection of unusual activity, as the platform's security measures are designed to flag such behavior. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to reach out to Elevenlabs support. They have a team that can delve deeper into your account specifics and help identify any unusual activity that may be occurring on their end. And there you go. These steps should help you tackle the unusual activity message on Elevenlabs effectively. Remember to keep your network stable and avoid multiple account creations to ensure a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tips. See you in the next video.